Hey guys, so if you want to be a millionaire in One State RP, I'm going to show you how to download a One State RP modded version. So this works in 2026. So as you can see, I'm broke, but when I press this button, I can actually turn on unlimited coins. All right, so let me just turn it up. So now the coins are going to start rising, and then I'm going to show you how to download this One State RP hack so you can get unlimited coins too. So let's see if it goes up. So as you can see, this is what I got right now. Really bad. So hopefully I can get it to rise, and then I'm going to show you how to download this. So as you can see, there we go, very bad. So hopefully it rises up, and there we go, guys. As you can see, it works. So I'm going to show you how to download it. So let's get straight into the guide. To do this, we just need to go to this website right here and just find One State RP. So like before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So you just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free, and then you'll get the One State RP hack into your device. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So at the end, it's going to say like missing files. So you just want to download some of these. So we got like Reco Social. It says install and like play a game. And then we've got eSIM, follow instructions on the next page. So yeah, make sure you do 2 of these, and then you'll get the One State RP hack, and you can get unlimited coins. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to like subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about One State RP. But yeah, this is super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is so awesome, and it's totally working. So if this video works to you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you later, but yeah, subscribe and enjoy it. It's just super cool. So yeah, I've tested it. It's updated and everything. So I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And yeah, the video should work for you.